In this lesson, I wanted to summarize the file system capabilities and in fact the file server capabilities now available in Windows Server 2012. We looked at storage pools, the ability to take multiple physical drives, create a pool, create virtual disks that can be thinly provisioned, that can have mirroring, that can have parity, and in fact we can have three-way mirroring. We actually have the ability to have multiple copies of the data. We automatically can recover any problems or a disk failure providing there's sufficient spare space. There is data deduplication in box. There is the new check disk, which can now, instead of taking volumes offline for hours or days, only goes offline for a maximum of 8 seconds. We have a new SMB3 capability that I can run Hyper-V virtual machines, SQL Server databases over an SMB file share. We actually have a very rich storage platform in Windows Server 2012 now, but it also does have additional capabilities. One of the options within here when you create a new share is actually NFS. So you can create Unix style shares for access from your non-Windows clients. So this isn't just SMB, this is NFS as well. Additionally, iSCSI support is now in box in Windows Server 2012. So it can actually act as an iSCSI target. The way this works, virtual hard drives are created on this server, which are then offered out as an iSCSI target, and then clients can connect into them. So what this gives you now is the ability for Windows Server 2012 to act as an SMB target, an NFS target, or an iSCSI target. It has that thin provisioning, the data deduplication, the advanced security for permissions, dynamic access control enabling classification-based access. And although the goal is not for Windows Server 2012 to retire storage area networks, it certainly is something that you should look at as maybe you have new requirements, maybe branch offices, and say, is that functionality in box in Windows Server 2012 sufficient to my requirements? And if so, I can leverage these very powerful inbox capabilities instead of some sort of third-party appliance. This ends the overview of the Windows Server 2012 file server capabilities.